Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add links in Strikingly. First, highlight the text you want to link. A small toolbar will appear. Click the chain icon. This opens the link options. For a simple web address, select External URL and paste your link. You can also choose whether it opens in a new tab, which is often a good idea for external sites. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's explore linking to content within your own Strikingly site. Again, highlight your text and click the chain icon. You'll see options like to a section or to a page. To a section lets you jump to a specific part of the current page, while to a page directs visitors to another page on your site. Simply select your target from the drop-down list. This is perfect for navigation or guiding users through your content. Beyond basic text and internal navigation, Strikingly allows you to link to external websites and even files. When linking to an external site, always double-check that the full web address, starting with https:// is accurate. For files, select to a file and upload your document. This is great for sharing PDFs, images, or other resources directly with your visitors. Remember to keep file sizes reasonable for quick downloads. Finally, let's talk about linking with buttons and some best practices. To add a link to a button, simply click the button element. In its Properties panel, you'll find the Link setting. Here, you can choose any link type we've discussed, an external URL, an internal page, or even a file. Always test every single link on your site before publishing to ensure a smooth user experience. This attention to detail makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.